mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot.
Hello guys, so today we're going to be recreating Tems Look for the Oscars. Immediately I saw the look, I was like, I'm going to recreate this. Have you seen it? If you have not seen it, this is it. So let's ride on. So the first thing I did was to create my edges, to slay down the edges just like Tems did in the look. So I went ahead with the V Beauty color palette to correct my under eye. And then I also went ahead to match my foundation. One was lighter and the other was darker, so I just mixed both together to give me the look that I wanted. So I'm using this sponge from Avo Cosmetics to blend everything together. So the foundation I used, sorry I didn't show you, is from V Beauty, and the concealer I'm using here too is from V Beauty. I had to highlight my face in this long triangular shape just so I'll get the shape well. I mean, Tems have a beautiful structure, a long structure, so reason I had to do that to create the look. Blend, blend, blend. So I am so sorry, you will notice a change in color of the footage because I was using natural light and it was towards evening. There was no artificial light, so you know how the sun sets and everywhere becomes dark or reddish, or you know, so that's the reason why we're having like a change in light. So here I'm highlighting my eyebrow to give it that, you know, snatched look before I go ahead to draw it. And then the next thing we're doing is to contour. I'm contouring my nose. Don't laugh at me, I know it looks strange, but all I was doing is try to create an illusion of Tems' nose. Oh my god. So we're blending with the same beauty sponge. I'd gone ahead to use powder. I'm just setting the face with powder, setting out the contoured area and the highlighted area too. So I'm priming my lid first before the eyeshadow. I went in with this gold, did I say gold? Silver and white shimmer. I love to use my fingers to create, especially when I'm using shimmers. And then here I'm lining my eyes. I used the Cosmetics pot gel to achieve that. So on the crease we are going in with a brown, deep brown shade. I'm using this one from Cosmetics. just to blend everything together. I am so sorry, like I mentioned, my space was low, so I didn't know it was not recording, so I did not record the eyebrow tutorial, but I will do that separately, so you guys should stay tuned. Check out my shorts. I will recreate the eyebrow and post it there. So we're going ahead to the lips. I'm starting off with this black liner. So it was too much, went ahead to reduce it. Then I'm going in with this lipstick from Heiga and Esther. I used these lashes. The first one I used was not giving, so I had to go cut it down to this just so it will look like that one that Tems was wearing at the Oscars. Blush, and yeah, we are finally getting close. So this is the final look. Stuff that I have right here is not working out well. Guys, I was trying to recreate Tems Look for the Oscars, but I don't know what's happening. This stuff that I have right here is not working out well. We'll just leave the look like this. I mean, like, if Tems had done this, probably she would not have gotten the attention that she wanted. To me, I think it's okay that she did what she did, and I'm so sorry, the video is all over the place. Like, you see changes in light. Yeah, that's great. You see the changes in light. I just had to record this today and post it. Like, I just had to, cause like, I mean, I wanted to like wait, but I just had to. So maybe if Tems had done like this, she wouldn't have gotten all the attention that she got. To me, it's okay, you know, it's probably for PR. And yeah, so did we nail the look? I think we nailed the look. The eyes, the lips. I mean, Tems is a pretty lady, so yeah. Please, if you like the video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a like in the what did I say? Leave a comment in the comment section below and like the video. Thank you.